Hi students, today we are going to talk about your high school transcript. Before we start, let's hear from a couple of our Leiden seniors.
Hi guys, my name's Amanda and I'm a senior at East. Today you guys are going to review what a transcript is, why it's important, and then you're going to reflect on your own transcript.
Hi guys, my name is Cassandra and I'm a senior at West. My transcript is very important to me because it shows colleges where I'm applying to, who I am as a student. Make sure you pay attention to this week's lesson. It's going to be very helpful in the long run.
All right, let's start by reviewing what a transcript is. You can think of your transcript as the story of your high school academic career. In order to keep track of students' classes and grades, high schools created transcripts. Your counselor monitors your transcript to make sure that you pass all of the classes that are required for graduation, but it's also your responsibility to keep track of your transcript. Your transcript will list all of the classes you take at Leiden. It'll list the course name for each class you took in high school, including whether you retook or dropped a class. This information is used to determine if you meet graduation requirements for your high school diploma, as well as if you meet entrance requirements for colleges or other post-secondary options. The classes will also list the level of courses that you took, whether it was a regular, honors, or AP level. So it's really important to make sure that you take the level of class that will not only challenge you, but that you will also earn a successful grade in. Your transcript will also track the credits you earned, the grades you earned, and your GPA. At Leiden, you have to earn 21 credits and also pass specific classes in order to graduate from high school and receive your diploma. As you complete classes, your transcript will show the letter grade that you earned for each class that you took. Each grade that you earn has a point value. That's used to calculate your GPA. Your grades are going to show future schools and employers how well you grasped the material in each of the classes that you took and how well you can be expected to do in future classes. It's very important information to colleges and other post-secondary options and employers because they want to make sure that they accept students that they feel will succeed beyond high school. Your transcript will also display your standardized test scores. Leiden will print your SAT scores on your transcript. It's important to do your best in all of your classes because your coursework will prepare you for the SAT, which is required for graduation and also used in college admissions. You'll take your official SAT when you are a junior in high school. You may be wondering, why is your transcript so important? It's important because it shows your progress over a long period of time. Basically, it's an indicator of how you'll perform after high school. So even if you have a rough semester or another tough semester, the transcript actually shows how you reacted to that and if you were able to improve over time and challenge yourself over time. Your transcript, your attendance, and your involvement in school all can create options for you. So let's take a deeper look at a sample transcript. The classes on your transcript are organized by year. So your ninth grade classes will be at the top, with the first semester classes on the left-hand side and the second semester classes on the right-hand side. This student is a senior. You can see her freshman, her sophomore, and her junior year classes, as well as the grades and the credits she earned in all of those classes. The level of each class is also listed to the right of the class information. You'll notice her classes and levels are listed for her senior year, but she doesn't have any grades earned yet. Her final grades are earned each semester. Below the listing of classes, you'll see the total credits she has earned, as well as her grade point average. She has a weighted and a non-weighted GPA. This is because honors and AP classes have a higher point value for grades than a regular class. So basically, a student can earn over a 4.0 GPA if they earn A's in honors or AP classes. The unweighted GPA is calculated as if there was no extra point value for an honors or AP level class. Take some time to look more closely at the grade point values assigned to each grade for each level of course. And finally, her SAT score is also listed at the bottom of the transcript. The area highlighted is where your test scores will appear when you take your SAT your junior year. So, who is going to see your transcript? Your high school transcript may be the most important record of your high school academics, simply because it contains so much information about you, the classes you took, when you took them, how well you did in them, etc. Colleges, trade schools, training programs, and scholarship programs will look over your transcript very carefully when you apply. Also, your transcript and proof of diploma is required if you choose to enlist in the military. And many jobs require that you submit your high school transcript when you apply so that they can look at your grades or make sure that you've taken any classes that may be required of their workers. They'll also review your commitment and work ethic to high school coursework. Here's what we know. We know that students who attend school at least 95% of the time and who make sure that they give their very best effort in their courses end up building a strong transcript. When you have a strong transcript, you'll have many options during and after high school.
Okay, everyone, so now that you know what a transcript is and why it's so important, we're going to do a little bit of reflection here. So on October 16th, your first quarter grades are going to appear. They're going to be recorded on your transcript. So your final grades from all of your classes from quarter one will soon appear on your transcript on October 16th. So think about your current grades in your classes, the grades you have right now. If the grades you have now are on your final transcript or your final grades, will those grades show what you are capable of? So do a little bit of reflection and answer the Ed puzzle now. Even during remote learning, Leiden offers tons of resources for you to do your very best in your classes and build a really strong transcript. We have teacher office hours, we have the Math and Writing Center. You can go into school to do work, there's lots. So right now, in your Ed puzzle, select the supports that will help your transcript reflect what you are capable of.
Okay, we hope you learned a little bit more today about the importance of your transcript. Think about the supports you may need to continue to build a strong transcript. Be sure to reach out to your counselor and your teachers if you need help accessing more supports. We are always here to help you.